It was at this moment that he knew.
So sometimes in life, accidents do happen. And when they happen, they can be really, really costly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how not to turn a very heavy epoxy table by your own. And unfortunately for our client, you will not be receiving your table tomorrow. You will receive a new table within 3 weeks. So in this video, I'm going to show you the whole process of how we got here. So you want to learn how to build epoxy tables like us. I've got two options for you. The first option is I compiled a full document going into detail on how we built all our tables. It's 41 pages long, and I can guarantee you, you can read this document and you can start your own epoxy company, manufacture the next day, or you can build your own project. Option 2 is we are currently busy with an online epoxy masterclass. It's going to be roughly about 2 to 3 hours long, where I'm going into intense detail showing you hands-on exactly all our methods and our techniques we take in building all our tables. Down in the description of this video, you'll find a link that's going to take you to our website, where you can either download the document only or download the online epoxy masterclass with the document. Thanks, guys.
It was at this moment that he knew.
So I honestly hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something new today. I definitely did. And if you guys won't mind, support me please, and hit the like button, hit the share button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next week with another cool video. Cheers.